What up, family? What up, family? Grand Rising, your welding coach checking in, Black Phoenix, and today we are going live in Little Rock, Arkansas at the FastTrack Welding School, the Goodwill Academy. 16-week welding program, family. 16 weeks. We teach you MIG welding, flux core welding, and stick welding in 4 positions, but we test you into, and we also teach you how to read blueprints and weld symbols, get you some knowledge on that, help you get your OSHA 10, and to assist you with job placement. Great opportunities, family, if you're in the area, surrounding area, or know someone that's in the area. Little Rock, Arkansas, family. Little Rock, Arkansas, off of Scott Hamilton Drive in Southwest. It's a game changer, family. Tell a friend, tell a friend. FastTrack Welding. And hopefully here soon, we're going to have another program I'm actually working on. Will be a 8-week program. So we'll have a 16-week and an 8-week program is the goal. So right now we got the 16-week going. We also have some private classes going. So you can also hit me on your welding coach if you want some private classes. But for those who want to get into the facility, there's many grants and scholarships that are available from the workforce, from Pulaski County, and also from Goodwill itself. If you are an employee of Goodwill, or if you come through the TEO program. So if you're a felon or you're having problems getting jobs, you can come through the TEO program and they can give you a free scholarship. So this program is set up to help people dive right back into the employment field and to change their lives, family, from going from minimum wage to $16 up to $20 an hour. Our students have been winning, family. So you have to dive into it, and everybody learns something different. And right now in Little Rock, I can say this, that flux core and MIG welding is where the money is. We have a process, we teach them stick as well, but for some people come in, they don't want to learn stick at all, so you don't have to learn the stick if you don't want to do it. It's not like a college. We're not going to force you to learn something if you don't want to learn it. If you want to dive straight into flux and MIG, then that's what we're going to teach you. You can actually, this program can actually, you can be 17 and get into this if your parents pay for you. There's many different programs, though I don't know where you're located at, but I will start Googling the areas and see what you can get into. Even some on-the-job training programs. Like I say, I don't know where you at, but most definitely look into seeing what's around in your local area. But we're in Little Rock, Arkansas, so if you can come down here, we'll most definitely be willing to help you. The prices at our program, which is great, and you won't find them none in the state, family. Majority of them are going around $8,000 to $10,000 for what we offer. We're offering our courses at $37.75 for a 16-week program. $37.75, right under $3,800. And we're paying for your test, family. So it's more people that's getting involved into this program to make those numbers go down, and that's why we'll be able to give you a good price for your time. So I honestly think it's a no-brainer. $3,800 to gain a trade, a skill that you can always improve on and start off making 40 grand plus a year. Come on now. Like I say, it's a no-brainer, family. It's a no-brainer, so dive into it, and learn all you can, fam. Learn all you can. Salute. I'm glad you're in school, man. Starting in August. Hey, you're going to open up a new door. Just stay consistent on it. That's the main thing. Practice make perfect. I actually have a brother that I network with. I believe he's in Katy, Texas, which is right beside Houston. He have a welding school there. It's called Griffin Welding School, I believe. So check that out. Google it. It's called Griffin Welding School, and it's Griffin Welding on, I believe he have a TikTok and a YouTube for sure. I know he have a YouTube channel. So check him out. It's Griffin Welding in Katy, Texas, right close to Houston. Oh, man, you winning. 17 years old, making $24 an hour. Man, somebody want to be in your shoes, my guy. Salute, salute. That's good. Stay in it, man. Learn all you can. You know, a lot of times we get caught up in thinking if we go to certain name brand places, it's going to open up great doors. Just find you a facility that can teach you, a good instructor, someone that can really help you get it in, and fam, you'll be okay. Salute, salute. You 12, huh? You know what? My son is 12. And I've been teaching my son every chance I get when I get around him. I have taught him how to MIG weld, so he can run a MIG welding bead. Not a stick welding bead, but he can run a MIG welding bead up to this point. So stay at it. It's called Griffin Welding, I believe. Griffin Welding. Look it up. I know he on YouTube. I believe it's on TikTok, but it's Griffin Welding in Katy, Texas. And when you contact him, let him know that your welding coach gave you the information and told you to hit him up. If you in 3G on stick, now I'm going to tell you what you should look for. Look for a bridge job, because they do bridge construction. They use 3G uphill on bridges 7018. And also look for an ironworking companies that do bridges and metal work. Most of them hire outside stick welders as well. But it's going to be construction, though. Check out the outside construction. Check him out, family. He's bracing himself. Check out how he's holding the rod. He's keeping it tight. And you know what? One thing I can say, if you keep it tight, especially when you stick welding, you're going to have less problems. Less pinholes. As long as your travel speed is good, your gap is good, and your angle is good, fam, you in there. Yes, and you said the truth. Most jobs don't care, especially a job. If you're going to go to a job, most jobs going to recertify you anyway. So just because you got a cert in your pocket, it don't mean anything. They're going to say, hey, can you step in the booth and show me what you got? And they want to see what you got. You're going to have to step in the booth and show them. Like he's doing. He's showing what he got right now. He look at that. He even called us up here. He wanted us to see it. Woo! He's dropping them up here now. So it looked like you need to run like a little bit low here. Like you need to run one more right beside this one. See right here where it's kind of low? Yeah, like that be your last one. Right up down the middle, yep. He's knocking it out, fam. And practice make perfect. So don't get caught up in thinking that you got to go all the way out with as far as the price you got to pay. But you do most definitely got to get the skill set. So you're going to have to put some practice in. And you want to be good. I would rather you leave my presence without ever taking a test. But you know how to take the test. You know, because the test is just a test. You want to take one of them on every job. And family, I just want to say I teach students anywhere from starting at the age of 12 up to whoever want to come. We got Miss Priscilla in here now. She's in here. She's learning to build products, to build some of her own products. But right now she's stick welding, but she's about to start hopefully this week on the MIG welding process. Yes, family. We're on the 8%. I actually put a video talking about that on my YouTube. You should check me out. Y'all follow me on YouTube as well. I have a new channel I just created called Your Welding Coach. Go like, share it, subscribe to it. Trying to get my subscribers up so I can start doing some cool things on that channel. Go check it out. It's called Your Welding Coach on YouTube. That's how it is sometimes, family. You know, so we have to stay focused, fam. I have always traveling and going different places, fam. I've always seen to be an oddball, and it's okay, fam. So that means more of us got to step into it. More of us got to get confident, and that's what we do here. And we're in Little Rock, and I have a lot of black students. All of my students right now are black. I got 10 in this ward, 9. But we most definitely got to change the narrative, family. So that's why I'm here, giving more information, talking, holding conversations, showing you work ethic, the full nine, fam. Salute to all our African American welders, or our Black Native American welders, or Black Native welders, however you want to call yourself. My Black Israelites, wherever you want to call yourself, fam. We need to learn the trade. Salute. Yes, welding career is a go. And fam, yes, welding career is a go. And fam, I'm about to get ready to, it's about break time for us. Want to let them get ready to take a break? Yeah, that's it, fam. Yeah, that's it. I think we might need to run. Yeah, and like just barely knock it and take your time with it and fill it up a little bit more. You see what I'm saying? But it's good, but just, come out, just fill this in. So you could actually put the grinder on it, knock it just a little bit in the center, knock it down here. Yeah. That way you can run one nice good one straight up to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And you want to take your time so it'll fill in the sides, let it fill in. Okay. But it's looking good. Well, fam, we finna get ready to let y'all go. We're on our break time. Break time, fam. Going our break. We just want to go live, let y'all know what we're doing, where we at. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas, teaching FastTrack welding. And let me show you our agenda. This is what we want to do. We want to teach you stick welding and MIG welding and flux core welding in 4 positions. But we're going to test you in 2. And our goal is to get you familiar with this process with the stick for those who want to stay in construction or dive into the pipe field, or for those who want to go into the welding and manufacturing field with the MIG and flux core welding, from heavy duty to lightweight building parts. So our goal is to help people dive back into the workforce, change their lives, people come out of prison, or people just trying to, hey, do something new. Hit us up. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas at the Goodwill Academy. Also check me out on YouTube, Your Welding Coach, and also yourweldingcoach.com. I'm actually been working on it. Hopefully it's up now, but we still tweaking and getting a couple things going. Y'all check it out. And also check me out on Amazon. I got the Hog On Welding gear. So all you have to do is put in Hog On Welding t-shirts, hoodies, all that good stuff. Get y'all hog on with me, fam. And we are most definitely out. Appreciate y'all for checking in. Be blessed. Hold on.